1979 Chevrolet Camaro for sale in New Bern, North Carolina 28562. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro is shown in a custom painted black cherry exterior complemented with a custom tan interior. This is a beautiful nut and bolt frame off restoration. It is powered by 350 V8 Chevy engine with 300 horsepower and is paired with a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission. Engine and transmission have about 10k miles on them. Features: 4-wheel base disc brakes, ceramic coated header, 10-volt rear end, Hurst mega shifter, V-cool radiator, dual electric fans, Holley electric lead pump, 315 rear ends, tires like new, stainless steel exhaust, new brake system, brake booster, master cylinder, proportional valve, has won many awards. Seller's notes: AC complete but may have a leak. Make this classic car yours today. Please call 402-502 to 8385 for more information. Attention buyers. Caveat: Emptor please remember to inspect vehicle prior to purchase.